What is FBS 3 and FBS 4? Yes, Baseman and J Keys, we are back again. We usually get complaints from clients, but today we've decided to teach you something small about these keys. You see, these keys are two keys. They look the same, but they're different, according to the programming and the softwares they use. We usually hear of FBS 3 and FBS 4. But what is FBS 3 and FBS 4? This is a simple, and layman is understanding it, to can tell you that you can understand it, because we are dealing with people who are not so sophisticated into the programming language. This is the simple software that the key uses to communicate with your car. So it depends on which car you're driving. Now, if you look at the cars that have FBS 3, those are the cars that range from 2013 and below. Surpassing 2014 and above, you're using FBS 4. So that means those who are using FBS 3 cars, you are on the lower software. Those having FBS 4, you are on the higher software, the latest. Now, first of all, we are going to give you a hack. How can you tell that my car is using FBS 3 or 4? Now, if you look at your key, if you're having the original key is having numbers on top. So if you count these numbers, say on this key, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If they are 7, that means your car is using FBS 3. But if your numbers are 8, they are 8. If you count these numbers on the top of your key, original key, and they are 8, your key is FBS 4. You're using the latest software. No matter how, now this is FBS 4, this is FBS 3. Now, these keys are identical and they look the same, but the programming and the softwares are different. That's why I'll charge you higher if you're using this key, and I'll charge you less money if you're using this key. So many clients come to J Keys and they complain, but my guy was charged less money and is having the same key with me. No, there is a difference between the two softwares that you're using in your keys, simply because one is a higher version, that is FBS 4, the other is a lower version, FBS 3. So don't get surprised when you come and we charge you differently, simply because the softwares are higher. So as I already said, you please, if you have your keys, please come and we cron for you. Come and give you new keys. Come, and if you've lost your key, come, we give you a new key. We cron for you and we give you a new frame for your key. This is only found at J Keys. Thank you.